Here have the lutefisk cut into pieces and add green onions, ginger, and cooking wine and salt, and mix them up and marinate for 15 minutes. And then prepare all these other ingredients: green onions, large ginger, anise, and also pepper, and garlic, and some chili. Now use the paper towel, have the fish dry. Okay, ready. Ready to prepare the sauce. And just a teaspoon of sugar. Add the soy sauce for the color. Some more cooking wine. Okay, this is I will always oyster flavor sauce. Just a little drop. No need to be. Add some water. And now it's time to stir it well and have it ready. When the sauce is ready, now it's the time to add the sauce prepared. And of course, I add a little bit of water and put the lid on. Turn into medium, low medium, and for 10 minutes. Okay, it's ready to eat.